So in this video we are going to upgrade the memory in this computer. We currently have 4 gigs of RAM and this one is a HP 15 laptop. This is indeed a HP 15 laptop. We are going to be doing a memory upgrade for this. Remove the batteries. There are 2 screws there. We have a screw here, one here, one here. Remove the screws. So we remove the battery. You need to just remove these 2 clips there. We're going to quickly remove the screws. And when we remove the screws, we are going to put them in order. So guys, we also have 2 screws underneath here. We need to remove those as well. So this is one. So you want to remove all those screws here. So all the screws are out. Now we just need to take the back cover off. And if you look, you can see that we have 4 gigabytes of RAM installed here. So guys, basically we are going to upgrade this to 8 gigabytes RAM. You can actually change this, or you can add an additional 4 gig. So you can get 4 gigabytes here, 4 gigabytes there. And definitely, that's how you do it. We have 2 slots. You can put one 8 gig and another 8 gig, make it 16 gigs. Or you can have 2 4 gigs or 2 8. It's how you want to have it. So basically, we are finished here. All we need to do is to put back this, put back in the screws, turn on the computer, and basically we are done. So we have 2 screws here. We gotta put these in at the back. So you want to put back in the battery here, and you want to actually turn on the laptop. And actually, when you turn the laptop on, you just want to verify that you're seeing the 4 gig or how much you have actually changed. So when you turn the laptop on, you just want to verify to make sure that you're seeing 8 gig or 16 gig, whatever number you have upgraded it to. Basically, you can check this at the system properties in your My Computer settings, or you can go directly in settings and you can check the system info there. So guys, you can actually check the specs on the startup. You can hit F2, check the system specs, or you can do so in my computer specifications there. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.